We are headed out to look at some Halloween lights. Come on, Boo, let's go!
Yeehaw!
Yay! So here's our first house. It's very spooky, and look at the window over there. It looks like someone walking in the window. Look, Boo. You see that?
Yeah, there's all kinds of people over there.
I think it's fake.
It's like they're zombies or something.
There's some scary pumpkins. Ooh, you scared yet, Bill?
Yeah, I wouldn't mess with them.
Yeah. Be quiet, they got ghosts. And boo! Got something back there burning fires.
Somebody's cooking tonight.
Somebody's cooking tonight. Ooh, look at their mailbox. Whoa, they went all out. And a mummy saloon. There's some bushes. There's some ghostes.
Got some ghosts.
See them ghostes, bro?
It's a spider I'm scared of.
What spider?
One by the car. On the garage door.
Ooh,
It's gonna
look
come
at
on.
that.
It should come on in 2 seconds. Maybe. Ooh. I wonder if this is a singing one.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Oh, tune to 91. You want me to get over this side of the street?
Yeah. Oh yeah, now we're talking. I'm not sure what that is.
Unless it's slime or whatever.
Slime man.
From Ghostbusters, I don't know.
So right here we got a little dog. Devil dog. And we got some kind of unicorn looking thing.
No, that's like a dragon. I think that's what you wanted from Home Depot the other day.
That's a dragon?
That's
Oh
a dragon.
yeah!
That's a dragon you wanted.
That is the dragon I wanted.
How fast can you run, Bobo?
And that's like a big old crystal ball.
Well, look above the ball. It's a big old nasty dragon.
Ooh, there's a dragon.
He's dragon.
Look at he's moving. His face is moving. We have some bad eyes up there. Ooh, dragon's moving again. We got some pumpkins floating on there. And those are some twinkling ghosts right there. And we got, ooh, look at those lights in the tree. They look like flames. So we got a pumpkin there. We have some ghosts jumping off. This is good.
Nightmare Before Christmas. We got some pumpkins in the
The
background.
slime. And pumpkins. Ooh, look at them cat eyes. Yeah, that was a good one.
Boo, are you scared? All the
That's
ghosts?
scary. Look at how it just pops out there.
Look at this.
Then there's a pumpkin right here.
But dude's headless though.
A headless pumpkin, a bodiless pumpkin.
The body is stuck on the outside of the pumpkin. I think the pumpkin ate him.
Eesh. We got a pumpkin and some boo ghosts. Okay, so we got a kitty cat with the striped tail. Pumpkins. Ooh, all kind of stuff. Haunted trees. Some flashing pumpkin faces. This is like Christmas, only creepy.
Mm-hmm.